Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about comparions. Comparions meaning these operators, comparion operators which compares the numbers between them. These signs. First is equal to, but it's not a worker because we use it with other signs, so we can't use it alone, so I will cut it from here. So other operator is double equal to, third is triple equal to. I will tell you the function too. What's the function of this, and greater than and less than is here, and greater than are equal to, less than are equal to, are not equal to. This exclamation mark meaning not, and this is equal sign, so not equal to. It is this purpose used. So in double meaning like this number is equal to this number or not is used to check this, and 3 equal is used to check strictly that this number should be strictly it's checked. Here is greater than sign meaning is this number greater than this or not. This is smaller than sign meaning is this number smaller than this number or not. And here is greater than equal to meaning is this number is equal or greater than this number or not, or smaller than or equal to meaning is this number smaller or equal to this number or not, to check this. And here is not equal to meaning this that this number is not equal to this number, to check this. Here are all examples. First example is greater than. Here is 2 is greater than 1, so when we'll print it, so it would be true. This will come in boolean form, true and false, because here we are asking that it is true or false. Look, here is true is greater than 1, so it will come true. As you can see, here is true, but if I will change the sign, I will make 2 small here and 1 big, so here is coming false. So this is the function of greater than and smaller than sign. Other is like will comment it and I will uncomment this example. Here is greater than and equal to. So 2 is greater than but not equal to, but it will come true because from these both anything should be true. It is greater than, it is greater, so it is coming true. But if it was 1, so then it would come true because here is equal to sign 2, so that's why. Now I will comment it. From these both one thing should be right. Now here smaller than example. Now we just looked here, so I will comment it. Now here is double equal to, which will check that it is 2 is equal to 1 or not. So its answer is false because 2 is not equal to 1, as you can see. So we will comment it, and here is not equal to. This exclamation meaning not equal, and it is true because 2 is not equal to 1. So when I will print it, so as you can see, true is coming. Now last example is here triple equal to, which will check strictly that it is equal or not. So it is true because 2 is equal to 2, as you can see. So now we will come to our other examples. Like here can like we can use string, that number which is in string with that other number. So it's possible like this number is written in these quotes, but this number is treated as a string, but then it will work because it is a number. So when we will print this script.js file, I will write here node space script.js. First I was clicking on this run button. You can click from here to, or you can write node and then write the file name like which is you have created here, and then you can press enter, so it will run then too. So as you can see, true is coming because 2 is greater than 1. It is in string, but it's okay. Now I will comment it and will print this one like 0 2. 0 2 0 is like in front, it's coming first, so it means 0 is nothing. Here is nothing value of 0, so meaning just this second number we will look. But if this 0 is back, not front, so it is 20. So that's why this is the difference. If first there is 0, so 0 is meaning is nothing. It would be true because 2 is bigger than greater than 1. 0 any function is not here. So I will comment it, and here is console.log null is greater than 0. So we will check its value to null is greater than 0 or not. It is false because null has no value, but 0 is a number, but null has no value, so it is without any number, so how it can be greater than a 0? That's why it's coming false. And now here is null is equal to 0 or not. So it's not equal to 0 because 0 is a number and null is nothing. Null has no value, so as you can see false is coming. Now here is null is greater than or equal to 0. It is to false because null is not greater to or not equal to. This both we have checked here. Now null is not greater to and not equal to, and this in this one line we have checked these both, so it is false. It is coming true because for some reasons here null is not greater to and not equal to 0, but the JavaScript is treating as that it is if we write this both, so then it is coming true because JavaScript treats it like this. Now other is undefined is equal to 0 or not, so it is false because undefined had no value, it is the same like null, so as you can see false is coming. Now I will comment it, and here is console.log. Undefined is greater than 0. So undefined meaning no value, like we have make a variable, but we didn't have given any like value, so that's called undefined. So now when we will print it, so as you can see false is coming because undefined is not greater than 0, and same like it is smaller than, it is like we will print it, so as you can see false is coming because undefined has no value. When we will give value, so it will JavaScript will check. Just JavaScript have read undefined, so it have given us false. So I will comment it, and now here is a triple equal to. Now is here it is checking strictly that this number is equal to. Here as you can see that 2 is triple equal to 2. It should come true, but it's false because this 2 is in string form and this is in number form, and it is strictly checked, so it is false because one is string and one is number. So I will uncomment it. Now when we will print, so as you can see it's false. That's why triple equal to meaning is strictly check. It check the data type 2 with the number. Just only number is not checked, data type is to checked. So now like other is heap and stack memory, meaning like as you can see here is let, and we have written one variable names. In names there is written Aryan. So when I will comment this, and when I will print name, when I will print, so here is an error, name is not defined because here I will write names because here is names. I will write here S, and now when we will print, so as you can see Aryan is printed here. But if we will try to change the value, like here I have written same variable, like here was variable name, here I written names, and I written here equal to Vakar. If I will print it, so a value is changed. In let the value can be changed. You don't have to if your big program is and you have written any variable here, if you want to change its value, you can change it globally, not in any scope. We will learn about scopes and these things in the coming videos. But if we will use here const, if I will use here const, so error is coming because assignment to constant variable. We can't change the variable values with const because it is not declarable and assignable. So now if I write here let, so it will change. But if we will try here var, which is the old, which was in old version, but now it is removed. It's not removed, but we should not use it because it's like some problematic your program can get. But look, the value is changing in var too. So this let is came introduced in the place of var. That's why let has some functions like var, but not all functions. Some functions are there. As you can see, it's changing. Just let is the proper and proper conditioned like you could say introduced material of JavaScript is some advanced and some correct of var. It is, as you can see, like other face of var, but it is corrected. Var is some wrong and it is corrected. I will in next videos you will learn that how the var is like problematic and wrong, why it is removed. In next videos we will learn. So thank you guys in this video only. This much we will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.